Welcome back to another MacGyver mod. In our last video, we skipped using a regulator because the new M4 Mac simply didn't have enough internal space. Today, we're fixing that to make sure your Mac Mini stays safe by adding a voltage regulator. And as an extra bonus, we're going to build a custom XLR cable, perfect for all you video enthusiasts looking to power your Mac directly from your video gear. Let's dive in. If you remember from our last video, I accidentally broke my customer's power cable, but turned it into an innovative solution. If you missed it, make sure you check out that video. I took a shortcut and decided not to remove all the components from the motherboard. Sometimes laziness pays off. Last time, some of you noticed I drilled into the case without properly collecting the debris. Well, this time I made sure to fix that by using double-sided tape to catch all those pesky aluminum shavings. Ouch! Apple isn't going to like this. From our last video, we showed this was the actual positive lead, so we'll tap into this. And for our negative lead, we'll use the ground screw, which is the big silver screw in the corner. Now for reassembly. And a quick test. Now, let's build our external voltage regulator. If you're curious about how to correctly adjust the voltage, make sure you check out our previous video. Now, to build out our XLR input cable. Now, the moment of truth. Let's power up and test our entire setup. And here's the finished setup, complete with our external regulator and the XLR cable fully plugged in and assembled. Check it out. Thanks again for tuning in. If you're new here, do us a favor, hit subscribe and like this video. And don't forget to drop a comment below letting us know what you'd love to see next.